Yeah, they propped me from early. Let me know that it's live, but I can't be late, so.
Yeah, you can't be late.
Yeah.
And all your friends are watching you, right?
Everybody, big up everybody from Kingston, Jamaica. You know the thing go, genocide.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Masicka was live on Good Day New York. Yes, people, on Fox 5. Check out that interview here.
Masicka, thanks for being here.
Bless up everything.
So how old are you? You're 20?
I'm 26.
26.
Yeah, 27
So
December.
you're so young and you've had this meteoric rise to fame. Did you ever see it coming for yourself?
Yeah, definitely. We always work hard and try to keep the dream alive, so it was always a belief that it would happen, but you know, you never actually believe it would happen this early, you know?
Masicka say him never believe say him would have bust so early. Jano Star. People, make me go know a little history about Masicka. From 2011, Masicka advice professionally. Masicka record professionally. ZJ Chrome used to feature him regular on Urban Mondays. And from your listen Zip 103 FM, ZJ Chrome, you must know what Urban Monday is. You see me? And then people used to have it and say Masicka can't bust because Masicka takes so long for bust. I'm my longest man in the music business for bust. And him a high-end balloon. And him a mosquito. Jano, look at Masicka. Yo, the man go Good Day, New York, Fox 5. Fox 5, the man go, you know, look how much artists in the dancehall business right now. Whenever go on them big major platform there, Masicka, big up yourself. Right now, from you say dancehall music, from you say Jamaica, you have to feel good in yourself. You know say, a man like Masicka, a ghetto youth like Masicka, we say ground them. Can go up on them big platform there. Jano Star. I'm proud.
Yeah. And it is early to get you up, right? I was like, what you have for breakfast? He was like, I just had some coffee. He was like, I had to get here. Would you say that? They told you?
Yeah, they propped me from early. Let me know that it's live, but I can't be late, so.
Yeah, you can't be late.
Yeah.
And all your friends are watching you, right?
Everybody, big up everybody from Kingston, Jamaica. You know the thing go, genocide.
Right there and then, the man a raise genocide flag high. When me say high, the man a raise it high. But guess what? The man still a represent for the culture. The man still a represent for dancehall. The man still a represent for Jamaica. And people, remember, you know, you might have Gaza fans, you might have MVP fans, you might have Sparta fans. But what? The whole of we say one dancehall. And that right there, so it matter. From your represent and I do good for dancehall, yo, everybody a benefit.
I love it. I love it.
Is this your first time being on New York television or
Yeah,
television
definitely
in the
my
States?
first time.
Wow, it's amazing.
Very first time.
I guess that one of the smartest question the interviewer actually asked him. Because for a man was so calm and collective, you really have to ask him, say, yo, is it the first time you've been on a platform like this? Is it the first time you've been on an American station like this? And the man said no. And you see the look on them face, them shock. Because them say no, sir. That brother you come like him know if you do him thing. Him fear the mainstream long time. Look how the youth are calm and know how to conduct interview. People, let me telling you this. You see artists, a whole heap artists were not easy, you know. A whole heap of section, a whole heap of things artists have to go through. Artists have to know if you write, which some of them not really write. And artists have to know if you voice, which that go on behind the scenes in the studio and everything. But you see on the out where people are see, where me and you are see, them have to know if you perform on stage show. You see, image is a lot. And then a very important part, which is conducting interview. And not only dancehall artists, but every single public figure have to face this. Because them have to go out and know if you can talk to the people. People want to remember, English is not necessary with first language or patois. So you have to can know how to articulate yourself, and you have to can know how to use creative words to make it look like say you're not dunce. Because when you go up on them platform there, you're not only a represent for genocide, you're not only a represent for MVP or Gaza, you represent Jamaica. And Masicka did this just well.
I mean, you're not the only big name to come out of Portmore.
No, a lot of artists, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah. What do you think it is about Portmore that's turned out so many big artists and has given you so much inspiration?
You know, it's not just Portmore. I think it's the communities in Jamaica. We have a strong love for music, the passion for music. So if you come to Jamaica, you guys should visit Jamaica.
Right, yeah, so the man could have just take the whole of the hype and give Portmore. But the man said no, at the whole of the community them in a Jamaica, talent forward from. At the whole of the community them in a Jamaica, produce big star and love music. And people more on the member, you know, because I really could have keep it to Portmore, you know. Because more on the comment in the comment section and tell me if I'm wrong. But Portmore, I think, create and bust the most artists in a Jamaica. The most big names will come out of Jamaica and Portmore them forward from. And tell me in the comment section if I'm wrong.
If you come to Jamaica, you guys should visit Jamaica.
I know nothing Masicka, I know your name Jesus. I know nothing if you make a one mistake. So don't pray that. Overall, you did very, very, very well on the interview. I mean, if it's a job you did go for, you would definitely get it based on the interview. But people, tell me in the comment section what you think. You feel like say Masicka represent Jamaica and hold up Jamaica flag high when him go on the interview here. Because remember, I know, once you're on the outside, out of Jamaica, on a major television station like this, you're ambassador for Jamaica.
The next song is going to be about all of these experiences right here. So
Fox 5.
There's going to be a song about Suki and Jenny?
Suki and Jenny.
I would die. I would die. If we were in a lyric, I would die. I'm just putting that out there.
You can listen out for it very soon.
I love it.
Yeah.
You know, I know. Listen, look at me. I know how to whine.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
She's going to show us her daggering in it.
No.
This is where me don't like with Jamaican bigger heads them and Jamaican politician them and the whole of them we orchestrate the thing. You know what me I talk about. Broadcasting Commission. Yo, you hear what the lady say? Daggering. No, this was live and this was on an international TV station. But yet still, you know, more wanna remember them ban the word daggering on here. So you can't say no daggering, you can't play no daggering song, nor nothing like that. But yet still, you know, she know about daggering. She the foreign and know about daggering. And it's not like said daggering I want popular talk now or is a popular trend or nothing like that. Daggering I want whole time from 2009 or something like so, when Daggering sang them did a make a ramping shop and all of those things. What me a try if say still on the point what me a try make, we as Jamaican, we need to embrace the culture more. And the bigger heads them, the bigger politician, Andrew Hollis, all I want me a talk. Portia is still around. Where the opposition name? Peter Phillips, yeah, him me a talk. Yo, the whole of them need to start nurture dancehall. Them need to start nurture reggae music. Them need to start nurture the culture. Don't wait till a man I go bust out and probably big like Bad Marley or so. Uno go so booms and start run round the culture and try nurture it and try do something for dancehall music. Dancehall music have the potential for bring income in a Jamaica. See it there? Masicka, go on Fox 5. So all who never know about Jamaica or know about dancehall music or Masicka, them know now. People wanna look into me and say, I'm not foolish me a talk. Look what they done a Dream Weekend. How much tourists fly down? People, them need to start invest in the dancehall culture. But people, at this me have to say, so tell me what you think about that video. Tell me what you think about Masicka. And tell me if you feel right now, say a Masicka a lead in a 2018. Tell me all of that in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. You can follow me on IG. So that's I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAMCHADDY. Please don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to subscribe. And while you hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. Right now I'm out.
It's such a pleasure having you here. I got to tell you something.
The pleasure is mine. The pleasure is really mine.
And just really just spreading the love and the word and about the music.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely.
And congratulations on all your success.
Yeah.
It's only up from here.
Yeah, we in a top farm. Louis V don't no fat farm. In a smarty data make a gun. Same flame, top farm. Yeah, we fuck up any platform. Buy couple things to keep the block warm. Same flame, top farm. Still a cold up amount of ice megaton. Clips up pop, yeah, the vibes never wrong. Yeah, top farm. Never drop farm. Talk tough and when them see me that car. We still stay strong. Still stay strong. Yeah. Man, straight for my life, me never weak out when the rough days on. We still stay strong, still stay strong.